You're offered $5,000 a week, but you can only eat foods that someone else chose for you that day. You don't get to see the options ahead of time. You can't refuse, swap, or modify them in any way. You must eat every meal they give you. If you skip even one meal, you don't get paid for that day. No condiments unless they're included, no substitutions, no "I'll eat later." You don't know who's choosing the food or why. How long do you realistically last? And what part of this would drive you insane first?